many puppies. 1 litter of 8, 1 liter of 5, 1 liter of 2. I think this girl is 3 weeks old, and she's one of the litter of 8, and of course she has maggots, and now I'm going to take them out. She has not too many maggots, luckily, but they are quite big. These maggots are around about 2 weeks old. And she has them in various places. Luckily, it's not very painful to remove them, because it's not yet a massive infestation. It's only a mild infestation. You can say that a puppy can easily carry 10, 20, 30 maggots. Only when it goes to 50, 60, 100 maggots, you have a problem. So, luckily Fatu brought them in on time. They just arrived yesterday. Well on time. And as today is a public holiday, I'm sitting there by myself because none of my assistants came, although I had asked them to. A common problem in this country. You ask people to do something and they say yes, but then they just don't do it. When they arrived yesterday, we had sprayed them all over, so there shouldn't be too many live fleas or ticks, and gave them a deworming by injection. But the maggots still have to come out. Some of them might be already dead because the injection in some cases kills the worms. It's ivermectin, a very common antiparasitic drug. But even if they are dead, they have to come out. They have to come out the natural way. Otherwise they will form abscesses. And you don't want to have, instead of 20, 30 worms, 20, 30 abscesses in your body. It doesn't make it any better. Huge, small girl. I think I declare you better. At least for the moment. Yeah, she's around about 3 weeks old because she doesn't have teeth yet. If she was 4 weeks, she would have tiny teeth. Next one. Blah, blah, blah. This one is not too bad. If YouTube ever introduces smell TV, I think I will sign up for it right away. Because on the one hand the puppy has a cute puppy smell, and on the other hand is stinking from its maggot wounds. There's an up and a downside in everything. Smile. You're on camera. This is the whole bunch. Mama is a good girl. A little bit nasty ears. But she's doing a good job. I spayed her yesterday. And she seems to be trusting enough that she allows me to take out the puppies one at a time. Did I get this? Aha! Talking of it. I need another one. Okay. Now we have a problem. Then we have to try something different, Mama. Only helping your babies. Yeah. It's okay, Luca. Luca, du bist nicht. Next one. Without Mama around. I guess I overdid it. Because in the beginning, she was letting me take out the babies one by one without a problem. But then she must have heard them crying and thought, this guy is not trustworthy. Let me bite him. When he tries to steal another baby. That's the problem. If there's so many in one location, it always gets infected. And infected means painful. Leo, you want to help me? Sometimes it can be a really nasty job. This mangoworm business. I guess that's the reason why nobody is doing it. Nobody but me. It can't be that bad, come on. I'm just taking out your worms. Tired? story. It would be much easier to just kill the puppy than to put all this effort and then you home it to somebody who just lets it die at home. Because they're not going to do this again at home. Shall we kill you? Take the shortcut? Or we sent you to America. It's really a pity that Deborah only took one dog. She could have taken 10 small ones instead.